Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Troll Media! Yeah, guys, I'm off today. It is a Monday. Goodbye, neighbor. Yeah, this is where I live. I've got the best view in this whole freaking campground. I'm off today. I am cleaning up. Gotta do laundry. That is a shirt that the wife made. Isn't that one fucking cool? Mark Fun Jones, I want to get with you, me, my wife. We want to make shirts with you. You got some freaking artistic talent that I'd like to utilize and maybe make some shirts with you. You know, maybe trade off. We can paint, you can make shirts. You know my number, give me a call. But look at this view that I have here, guys. Oops, sorry. Isn't that beautiful? We got the best view here. What you doing, Tessa? What you doing, wiener dog? Had to build a new deck. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it here. So, anyway, camper is a wreck because both me and Mrs. Troll Media are working, except for me today, obviously. So, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put some food together today. What are we gonna do today? What are we gonna cook? Ooh, that makes me excited. I have never. Oh, that motherfucker was $21 fucking dollars. Jesus Christ. Jesus, I didn't. Oh, okay, cool. So it was half price. I was about to freak out. Like, damn, how the hell did I pay that much? But anyway, guys, I've always done my pot roasts in a crock pot. Well, I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to do it on the smoker. I want to smoke this guy and see if I can't get it to slice like a brisket, maybe. I'm going to season it, salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne, a titch of sugar, and maybe a couple other things. I don't know. But, what are you doing, buddy? Why are you so happy? I know, this place is a fucking wreck. Gosh, this place is a mess. Oh, I know, buddy. You already ate breakfast. You've already gone outside and gone poop and pee. You just want to be on camera, don't you? Look at that smile. He's so happy. So, yeah. You know, the good thing about, being, working a job, and, the wife is working, if one of us has a day off, we work and work and work and we put money away, right? We put money away for days and weeks that, I have shitty work. I was supposed to have this really freaking good deal lining up to do it was going to be steady work all winter long, Monday through Friday, probably about 10 to 12 hours a day. I was like, all right, that'll be some good banking money, But sadly, that one fell through and it's not happening, I guess. Troll Media may actually be looking for a new job with more steady hours, even though we don't have to work full time to make our bills and keep putting money away in the bank account and into savings and into our, retirement funds and everything. I still prefer to work full time because the more I work over the winter time, the better I can play during the summertime, So, hopefully this new job venture will work out. But till then, we've got to rip this condom off of my meat. Look at that good old piece of meat. Look at that. Gosh. Look, it's got a diaper on like freaking Elvis wears. So, this is a good cut of meat. Oh, wow, look at that. That's kind of weird. Yeah. Tender. I'm excited about this. There's so many different, it's not like a brisket. It's got this fat here is kind of like that harder fat that doesn't render down, you know, but this little fat inside of there looks like it will do just good. And whatever doesn't work, you know, I'll just rip it out and eat the good stuff. So let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. I am all out of my Everglades seasonings that I use, my rubs. But the steak and burger rub, this is some good stuff. I like this one. I use it as a rub. It's supposed to be just a seasoning, but I use it as a rub. I'm not going to do the sugar because there's already a little bit of sugar in there and a little bit of salt. But this is a big roast. Salt is always extra good. So there's not enough left in there for much more, so I'm just going to do that. Cayenne pepper. Guys, I like cayenne pepper it's a must sometimes, you know? It really pulls out the flavor. It really adds a lot to it. And now, when I do a roast like this in my crock pot, I usually put a thing of brown gravy mix in it with the water. So I'm going to do a thing of brown gravy mix. So, yeah, we use this cheapo brown gravy mix. And, let's get over here. Grab me a fork-a-roni. And you just mix her around. I don't have my camera girl here with me today because she is obviously out making the money, not me. I may put a couple other things in here. Maybe I'll throw a little bit of sugar in there just to give it that sweetness. But man, that smells amazing. Smell it? Smell it! It smells good. I don't know, I may put a couple other things in there real quick because that's not going to be enough rub for the whole damn thing. I went ahead and just cut that guy off there. I may saute that up. I don't know, beat it out, see if I can make a little lunch out of that. But that still left me with this healthy sized piece of meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing rubbed down. I didn't put nothing else in that. We're gonna go from there and see how it turns out. I don't want to overwhelm the flavor of the beef, you know. So let's see what happens. So yeah, guys, you know, you never see like Nomadic Fanatic really putting effort like this into something. You don't see you know, like Elvis putting effort into this stuff. You know, you always see them freaking just eating out. You know, it's like, gosh, have some respect for your body. I mean, you know, I'm a fat guy, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I'm freaking fat. You know, I should have put mustard on this as something to kind of hold it down a little bit more and keep that moisture in. I don't know, I may still, oh no, I'm all out of mustard. You know, you don't see them doing stuff like that, you know? It's sad. You know, just lonely men. I don't even like to call them men. They're not really men. Just lonely, not just faceless, just floating through this existence, just eating garbage food. Now I do eat my share of garbage food, you know, that's without a doubt, I do. You know, but like, gosh, they're both going to die of a heart attack sooner than me, that's for sure. And I'm a fat guy. I weigh 300 and some pounds now. You know, my diet failed, but I'm still trying, you know. But, you know, my good caloric intake is, you know, my caloric intake is good compared to theirs. I'll sit down and I'll eat a lot of this red meat. Yeah, it's not the best for me. It's good protein, though, you know. You see Nomadic Fanatics sit down and eat freaking a cheeseburger from a freaking restaurant. There's so many preservatives and crap in there. That ain't homemade, you know. This is freaking homemade, you know. So, and then Elvis, of course, he eats all that crap out there. So, but alrighty, guys, I may try to put something else on here to get it to stick a little bit better. I should have maybe wet it down. It's not doing how I wanted it to do, but no big deal. I mean, it's not like I'm a freaking 5-star chef cooking for the freaking president. So, alright, I'm going to finish this up and I'm going to get it out there on the smoker. Alrighty, so I went ahead and put the rest of that rub on there. Just set it on top. I'm going to kick on the smoker. 250. I'm going to slow cook this fucker. 250 degrees for probably 8 hours. Welcome. $250 degrees for about 8 hours. That ought to do it pretty good. Go ahead and rinse off my hand. So yeah, you never see like Nomadic Fanatic or Elvis like really making something that's good, Like Nomadic is always doing those stupid, was it pork roasts with freaking Dr. Pepper? Oh God, how gross is that? Dr. Pepper, I mean, maybe it's good. I've never tried it. Maybe it's good. But, I don't know, guys. That just seems off. But, this is going to be part 1. Part 2 will be a quick look at it. And then part 3 will be me cutting into it later on this evening. So, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.